Hello everyone and welcome to another minute concept on physics, particularly regarding kinematics and projectile motion. So as you discussed in the previous videos, kinematics and projectile motion are two concepts that fall hand in hand. And why is that? It's because uniformly accelerated motion applies to both kinematics and projectile motion. Uniformly accelerated motion is associated with other kinematic situations such as linear movement or free fall. However, projectile motion also involves uniformly accelerated motion because the only acceleration acting in this situation would be the vertical acceleration or gravity. And projectile motion basically involves the studying of the UAM of an object that is launched at a certain angle. So, how do we understand projectile motion in terms of this type of situation? Now, projectile motion can be seen in this diagram here. If someone were to launch, let's say, a ball along this direction, the parabola it creates, or this shape, this trajectory, is actually a collection of all of the vectors made by its upward and eastward movement. So for example, I throw a ball going up and to the right, and my upward vector would be its initial velocity going up. And as you can see, because of the deceleration of gravity has a value of negative 9.8 meters per second. So gravity slows down my upward trajectory until it becomes completely zero here at the top. And as it goes down, gravity makes my acceleration negative. So I have positive acceleration going up, and then I have negative acceleration going down. However, this acceleration on the eastward direction stays completely constant. So that is how we understand projectile motion, and these can be explained using the kinematic equations as well. There are only three parts of the situation that are the most important. First is off launch, the second is at its highest point, and the third is right before it hits the ground. So we will go more in depth on these in the in-depth video regarding projectile motion. I hope you guys learned something for this minute concept, and I'll see you in the in-depth video. Please make sure not to miss that. Thank you everyone, and goodbye.